Hi my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these two different styles of paper quilled Shagun envelope or money wraps, and here I will share two different techniques of creating these beautiful quilled motifs along with how to create the envelope from the scratch. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the envelope. For this I'm taking 21 by 21 centimeter white cardstock. From left side I have creased at 6 and 14 centimeters, and from top and from the bottom I have creased at 1 centimeters. Now folding all the creases and burnish it nicely with bone folder. Then on this 1 centimeter crease line we have to cut from bottom and from the top till the center and create one diagonal cut like this from both the sides. So we'll just fold the bottom part like this and stick with these side panels. And tada, our super easy envelope base is ready. Now on top of this I am adding 18.5 by 7.5 centimeter pink color cardstock. Like this. Then I am decorating this with beautiful border cutout design. I have cut two similar border and just sticking it exactly in the center horizontally like this. Now I am cutting the excess die cut from both the sides. And the beautiful base for our envelope is ready. Now I'm starting with making the quilling patterns. For my first pattern I'm taking half strip of light blue color in 3 mm and making one ring shape. I'm just wrapping it around my pencil and making the ring. For all my designs I'm using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So we need 4 these kind of rings. Now I'm taking 1/4 strip of dark blue color and making one bended leaf shape like this. So we need 4 these type of petals. Now for the next shape I am taking here 1/4 strip of navy blue and I have already prepared 4 tight coils like this. Then joining 4 rings like this with each other, then adding bended leaf shape and also connecting navy blue color tight coils. So it should look like this. Now I'm sticking it on top of light blue color cardstock, allow it to dry. Similarly I have prepared one more. Now I'm just cutting the excess cardstock around the shape after drying. and this is done. Similarly, I have cut the other one, so both the pieces are ready. Then for next shape I am taking here 1/6 strips of navy blue color, in total 4 quantity. Gather all together, fold it from center and create the scroll using pointed tweezer. Cutting excess strips from bottom, secure the end with glue and scroll is ready. Similarly, we need 4 navy blue color scrolls and 4 light blue color scrolls with the same procedure. Then I am taking here half strip of grey color and making one loose coil. We need total 4 loose coils. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark purple color and making one tight coil. We need total 4 dark purple and 2 light blue color tight coils. After that I am taking half strip of dark purple color and making one teardrop shape. Similarly, we need one more. Then I am taking half strip of light blue color and making tight coil. Here I am taking 2 mm strips. So we need total 4 these type of tight coils. Then here I have prepared 2 more rings using light blue color, just we did before, and I have joined two rings together by adding light blue cardstock in the bottom. Now taking back my 2 motifs which we have created and connecting it like this. Then on top of this I am adding light blue color tight coils which are made using 2 mm strips. Then on both sides I am adding grey color loose coils. So this is done. Then taking back my envelope and exactly in the center I am sticking my motif, and then using remaining patterns I am decorating and extending my design. Then I am just adding some bling here by adding silver color stones here and there. Like this. And at the end, in the center of light blue color tight coils, I am adding half cut pearls. And the beautiful first envelope pattern is ready. The pink and blue color combination is looking very pretty. Then I am taking the exact opposite contrast combination. This time I have created same size envelope using blue cardstock, and on top of this I am adding dark blue color cardstock. And then on top of this I am adding one more layer using this floral pattern paper. I have already decorated one side using die cutout. Now I am decorating the other side using same die cutout and just cutting the excess paper from both the sides. And then sticking it on top of the envelope. So our base is ready. Then starting with my first quilling design, for this I am taking half strip of dark pink color and wrapping it around my quilling tool and making the ring. Like this. So we need total 23 these type of rings. Now I'm just joining these rings and creating the pattern. And the beautiful pattern is completely ready. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. Then for the next shape, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and 1/4 strip of dark purple color and making one tight coil. Like this. So we need total 8 these type of tight coils. Now taking back my design and decorating this with my yellow purple tight coils. After that I am just putting it on top of pink color cardstock by using glue, and after drying I am cutting excess cardstock around the edge. And the beautiful motif is completely ready. Then here I am taking one strip of orange color and making one teardrop shape. Similarly we need one more. Then I am taking here 1/4 strip of light pink color and making one tight coil. So we need 2 dark purple and 2 light pink color tight coils with the same process. Then here I am taking 1/3 dark purple strips total in 3 quantity, folding it from center and again creating the scroll using pointed tweezer. So we need total 4 these type of scrolls. Now taking back my envelope, and first of all I am sticking my handmade motif exactly in the center. Then decorating the remaining portion using another designs which we have already created. Like this. Then on top and in the bottom I'm adding blue color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips, and also decorating with same silver color stones here and there. Very pretty. So in this way I have prepared 2 different styles of envelope with same method, that is a ring pattern, and in this way you can create your own different designs to decorate the envelopes. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.